Brazilian tourists have been canceling trips to Africa due to concerns about the Ebola outbreak. Even if their destination is thousands of miles away from crisis-hit areas, many of them have opted out of African travel. Paulo Cabral reports.
According to the World Health Organization, the Ebola virus has impacted 4 West African nations. As the international community scrambles to contain it, the images of people affected by the disease continue to spread concern and fear, even in the country of Brazil. Vitor Scontri and his sister Vanessa, both medical doctors, cancelled a trip to South Africa in December that had been planned and paid since March.
We felt a bit afraid that the epidemic could reach South Africa, so we thought we'd better not go.
Our biggest concern is the movement of people between the countries on the continent. We know that the airports are monitored with health check centers, but Ebola patients could end up in South Africa for treatment.
Over the last 15 years, political and commercial relations have grown significantly between Brazil and many African countries. It's a trend the tourism industry was also trying to benefit from. Now, travel agents and operators hope the Ebola outbreak in West Africa won't destroy years of hard work and investment. There is no available data that indicates how the tourism sector has been impacted, but several travel agencies were quoted on Brazilian media outlets saying that many clients have cancelled their trips to Africa. The manager in Kangaroo Tours says South Africa, a fast-developing destination for top-end safari clients, felt the heat, despite its distance from the affected areas.
For the past 3 weeks, I would say, we've felt a little bit of a decrease on the demand for South Africa, especially due to the Ebola. With, I would say, about 12 customers that were supposed to go to South Africa at the end of the year, and they decided not to go. But the other clients, they're still holding to see what is going to happen.
Companies say they do their best to inform their customers, but it's certainly much harder to sell the continent's beautiful destinations with these grim pictures seen around the world on television. Paulo Cabral, CCTV, São Paulo.